This is the Xiaomi Redmi Bud 3 Pro, a budget premium wireless earbud that can be purchased for around $60 or less, and at half the price of what Apple or Samsung charges for their premium wireless earbud. Is this premium wireless earbud worth your time? Let's find out. Starting with the case, it has a boring dark gray color that looks okay, and I definitely do enjoy the matte plastic material because fingerprints and scratches doesn't show up as easily. Located on the front of the case is the LED dot light, and below that is the sync or reset button. I do like how the front has a clean design with no logo on the front, and the logo for the Redmi is located on the back of the case, and below that is the USB-C port. Let's open the lid. The hinge has a nice resistant feel that I find is quite satisfying. And moving on to the bud, which has a glossy surface that also draws your attention immediately to it when you open the lid. And the buds are designed to be minimalistic with a stemless design. There are 3 mics on the bud, one on top, one on the bottom, and one inside the grill, which is also the location of the in-ear detection sensor. The ear tips are interchangeable, and 3 extra set of ear tips are provided in the box, and beside the ear tip is the charging magnetic port. The Bud 3 Pro supports multiple touch gesture like double tap to resume or triple tap for next song and hold to enable or disable transparency mode. In-ear detection was quite impressive. I did not expect to work this well on my iPhone. It would pause and resume music or video instantaneously. It works just as good as my AirPod. Active noise cancellation was another area I was surprised with the performance. The dual active noise cancellation was very effective with blocking outside noises that I could not hear any noises until I enabled transparency mode. But sadly, there is no companion app support for non-Xiaomi phones, so you are stuck with the default setting, and volume control gesture is not available on these buds, so you'll need to take out your phone to change the volume every time. Other features that I won't be going into detail includes flash resistant, Bluetooth 5.2, dual device connection, and etc. I'll provide the link to the product page if you want to learn more about it. I found the Bud 3 Pro sit snug in my ear, and rarely did it come loose while I was walking or talking on the phone. I was able to wear these buds for an extended period of time before it becomes uncomfortable, so make sure you experiment with the different tip for the best results. In terms of battery life, you can expect up to 20 hours with the case, and each bud will last up to 6 hours. There's support for Qi wireless charging, and USB-C will handle the wire charging, but the provided USB-C cable is quite short and the overall charging time wasn't the fastest. It took around a full hour to fully charge the case from 0. The Redmi Bud 3 Pro is configured to be more balanced and less punchy bass, so bass lover will want to look elsewhere. I found the overall audio quality was way better than I expected at this price. Watching video was generally enjoyable, but I found the lack of punchy bass did affect how immersive a video will feel, and the lip sync was off by half a second. But listening to music and podcasts, I really had no complaint about it, except I found the volume isn't as loud as I liked it, and I usually needed to turn it up. Gaming on these earbuds are good, but latency with footstep or when weapon makes contact with an object is noticeable. Moving on to the mic, which did a good job with picking up my voice clearly, and the 3 mic is doing a good job of minimizing background noises with ANC enabled. And for comparison's sake, I will enable transparency mode now. Now that transparency mode is enabled, do you notice there is a background noise, but my voice can still be heard clearly? So what do you think about the mic? Let me know in the comment section. The Xiaomi Redmi Bud 3 Pro offers a lot for an affordable premium wireless earbud. It has balanced audio, decent mic, battery life, excellent in-ear detection and noise cancellation, but it does lack a companion app for non-Xiaomi phone, volume control gesture, and punchy bass. So if you don't care about these missing features, or you're just looking for an affordable premium wireless earbud that offers a lot of bang for your bucks, then the Xiaomi Redmi Bud 3 Pro should be on top of your list. So my question to you is, what is your favorite wireless earbud? Let me know in the comment, and I'll see you in the next one.